Walmart clearance sections change based on store inventory, local demand, and when products are marked down, so the items available at one Walmart location may be different from another location. By the end, you'll know how Walmart clearance updates usually work, where to look for markdowns, and how to check for new deals without wasting time. The first place to check is your local Walmart store, because clearance pricing is controlled at the store level. A clearance item at one location may still be regular price at another location. Start by checking the clearance areas inside the store. Many locations place marked-down products in dedicated sections, but clearance items can also appear in the original department where they were sold. For example, a product moving out of seasonal inventory may stay near its original department, while a store prepares for new inventory. Checking more than one area can help you find items that are not grouped together. The Walmart app can also help you check product availability and store information. Use the app to search for products, select your store location, and review available details before making a trip. Another useful step is visiting stores regularly. Clearance updates happen when stores need to adjust inventory, so checking once may not show the latest markdowns. Timing can also vary by location. A busy store may update inventory differently from a smaller store, because product availability and sales patterns are different. When you find a clearance item, check the price carefully before buying. Confirm the item details, compare the current price with the original listing if available, and make sure it matches what you need. Avoid assuming every clearance item is available at every Walmart. Store inventory changes constantly, and clearance products can sell out quickly once they are marked down. If you are searching for a specific item, use the Walmart app first. Then check nearby stores if the product is unavailable. Comparing locations can help you find more options. The main points are simple. Clearance updates depend on each store, the Walmart app helps you check product information, and regular store visits give you a better chance of finding new markdowns. Your next step is to choose your preferred Walmart store in the app, and check the clearance sections during your next visit. If this guide helped you understand Walmart clearance updates, like the video and subscribe for more Walmart shopping tips and app guides.